Hello guys, welcome back to my math trick channel. So today our session is exercise 1.2 for Karnataka State Board syllabus and exercise 5.2 for NCERT and CBSE maths for class 10 and exercise 6.2 for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana State Board syllabus. Okay, so before going to enter into the exercise, first of all I need to say the basics. That is x plus 2 is equal to 1. We need to find what is the value of x. Then what you have to do, x is equal to, we need to find x. So we need to take one side, that is x is equal to 1 and plus 2 will get minus 2. Okay. So x is equal to, what is 1 minus 2? That is minus 1. So what is the value of x? That is minus 1. So here see, minus x is equal to 1 and plus 2 will move to right side, then it will become minus 2. Minus x is equal to 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. See here, minus get cancelled, then x is equal to 1. Understand? See, coming to this, here x minus 2 is equal to 1. X minus 2 is equal to 1. So we need to find x. So what you have to do, x is equal to 1 and minus 2 will become plus 2 because my x minus 2 is in left side and 1 is right side. If minus 2 will move to right side, then the minus 2 will become plus 2. That means that signs must be changed. When the position is rearranging, then the signs must be changed like this. Minus 2 will become plus 2. So x is equal to 1 plus 2 or 3. See this. 2 plus 3, 5 plus y is equal to 0 and 5. So plus y we need to send in the right side. So it will become minus y. That means signs must be changed. Then y is equal to minus 5 is the answer. Okay, like that. If you have 6 plus 8 minus y is equal to 0, then what you have to do? 6 plus 8 is 14 minus y is equal to 0. 14 is equal to y. What is the value of y? Y is plus 14. Okay. Just remember that. So next the term. Already I discussed in the previous class, and if you did not see the before videos, and please see that. Please see, because that is the introduction part. Okay. If you know the introduction part, you can clear every exercise problems. Okay. So let's start from first question. Before going to start the exercise problems, see, this is nth term of an arithmetic progression, that is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Please don't forget this formula. This is very important of that. And already I discussed in the before videos. Okay? Okay, ma'am. So let's start the solutions. See this. Already they given a, d and n, and we need to find an. That means nth term. That means nth term. What is the formula of Tn? Everyone knows that. What is the formula of Tn? Term n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn is equal to, what is a? A is 7 plus n means 8 minus 1 into d means 3. What is a here? A is the first term. What is d? D is the common difference. Already they given here. We need to find nth term. That means Tn. Or we can write an also. Okay. So what we get here? 7 plus 8 minus 1. 7 into 3. That implies 7 plus 7 3s are 21. What is 21 plus 7? 28. Therefore, term n is equal to 28. This is our answer. Okay. So let's go for next question. So let's start the second question. An or Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Tn or an? That is 0 is equal to a means minus 18 plus n means 10 minus 1 into d. We need to find the common difference. Already they given n. N means number of terms. Number of terms. D means common different. What is A? A is a first term. So let's start. Minus 18 plus 10 minus 1. We get 9D. What we get? We get 9D. So minus 18 plus 9D can be written as minus 18 is equal to plus 9D will get minus 9D. Okay. So minus into minus will get cancel. We need to get D is equal to 18 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Then the common difference D is equal to 2. See third question. So what we need to find? We need to find the first term. So an what? Minus 5 is equal to a. We need to find. So write like that itself. A plus what is n? 18 minus 1 into what is the common difference? D, that is minus 3. So next minus 5 is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 what? 17 into minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to a plus into minus. Minus 17 3s are 51. We need what is the first term. So how we can do this? We need to get a. A is equal to minus 5 and here minus 5 will become plus 5. Okay. What is A here? A is 46. A is 46. If you don't know the basics, then I can give a in the description box. Please check once. Okay, you can understand how it will come. Minus into plus, minus 5 minus 51 is minus 46, and in front of 5 we have a negative sign, that is minus into minus plus, and the result is plus 46. Understand? Let's go for next fourth question. See, next question is fourth one. They given A and D and we need to find n. So let's start. Next fourth question. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We know that nth term. What we need to find? We need to find number of terms. So what is an? An is 3.6 is equal to, what is the first term here? Minus 18.9 plus, we need to find n. So write n itself, minus 1 into d. What is the common difference? That is 2.5. Okay. Now what we have to do here? See, 3.6. If we need in the right side we have minus 18.9. So we need to get a left side. So what will become here? Minus 18.9 will become plus 18.9 is equal to plus n minus 1 into 2.5 as it is. You can write here itself. Okay. See how it will come means. I am writing here. Just see once. Observe here. 3.6. I am multiplying with minus here. Minus into minus, plus 18.9, and plus minus into plus, minus n minus 1 into 2.5. And afterwards I am writing here 3.6 plus 18.9, and here minus is there, no? If we need to send in the right side, then it will become plus. So is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Understand? So same process I am writing here. I hope you understand, guys. What is 3.6 plus 18.9? 18.9 plus 3.6. You have to add. So what we get here? 22.5. Right? Just add. 22.5 we get. So write down 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Let's see here. Observe clearly. So we need to take n minus 1 is equal to 22.5 divided by 2.5. See here, point get cancel. Point get cancel. Why we can cancel? See here, observe here one thing. 22.5 divided by 2.5, no? So 22.5 can be written as 225 divided by 10, right? Divided by 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10. So now 10 get cancel. What will become here? 225 divided by 25 we get. So write down here like that. What we get here? 225 divided by 25. So cancel. 25 ones are 25. 25 nines are 225. Just check once. So what we get here? N minus 1 is equal to 9. But what we need here? We need n. So what is n here? N is equal to 9 and minus 1 become plus 1. So what is our answer? 9 plus 1, that is 10. Right? Understand? So what is n here? How many terms we have? There are 10 terms. This is our solution. Okay? Let's go for next question. Please pause the video to note down these all things. Okay? In first question, we have a last question, that is fifth one. Let's start that one. They given already a and common difference 0. And number of terms we have 105, and we need to find an, number of terms. No, not number of terms. Tn we have to find, that means an. Let's start. We need to find an is equal to, what is a? 3.5 plus n, 105 minus 1 into d. D is 0. See, multiplying with 0 with any number, we get 0 itself. So an is equal to 3.5 plus 0. Multiply with 0 with any number, we get 0 itself. So what is our solution? An is equal to 3.5. So the first question is completed. Let's go for second. The next one, question number 2. Find 38th term of the arithmetic progression 10, 7, 4 and so on. Let's start. See here what we need to find. We need to find 38th term. That means T30. T30 we need to find. So what is Tn? Formula, number of terms. Nth term, not number of terms. It's a nth term. That is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So given, what they given? Given AP. Given arithmetic progression, that is 10, 7, 4 and so on. What is the first term here? First term. First term, that is term 1 is equal to a is equal to what? 10. First term. We can call it as a. Okay, what is the common difference now? Common difference. Common difference d is equal to T2 minus T1. See, this is a term 1, term 2, term 3. What is term 2? 7 minus term 1 is 10. Okay. What is 7 minus 10? That is minus 3. Because 7 is smaller than 10, so we use negative sign here. So already we know the common difference d is minus 3. So what we need to find? 30th term. 30th term. So put Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Tn? Tn we need to find. What is n here? N is equal to 30. Okay. T30 is equal to, what is a? A is 10 plus 30 minus 1 into, what is the common difference? D, that is minus 3. So T30 is equal to 10 plus 10, 30 minus 1. It is 29 into minus 3. See, plus into minus what? Minus. So 10 minus 29 into 3 we need. What? 29 into 3. That is 27. 6 plus 2. 8. 87. Minus 87. Are you getting? What is 10 minus 87? T30 is equal to minus 77. So our option is C. Third option. Understand? So let's go for second question. What they given? Next question. This is term 1, term 2 and term 3. What we need to find? We need to find 11th term we need to find. So what is the nth term formula, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. We need to find what is a, what is d. Okay. So what is a here? A is equal to, term 1 is equal to minus 3. What is d? D is a common difference, that is t2 minus t1. What is t2? Minus 1 by 2. See, minus t1 is minus 3. Again minus 1 by 2, minus into minus, plus and 3 this. Okay, if you don't know to how to solve this means, I give you a video in the description box. Please check once. Okay. So what is our answer here? Minus 1 plus multiply this. 2 3s are 6 divided by 2. So minus 1 plus 6. What is our answer? Minus into plus minus. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5. And here in the place of, in front of 1 we have a negative sign. Keep minus, divided by 2. Minus into minus what? Plus. That is plus 5 by 2. What is difference? Common difference. D is equal to 5 by 2. Put this in here. So what we need? Already they are given n is equal to 11. Okay. N is equal to 11. That is term 11 is equal to, what is a? That is first term. Minus 3. Plus, what is n? We need 11 minus 1 into, what is d here? 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Okay. T11 is equal to, term 11 is equal to minus 3. 11 minus 10. 11 minus 1. We get 10 into 5 by 2. Let's cancel. 2 1s 2. 2 5s are 10. Minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. So what we get our answer? 22. Because minus into plus minus. 3 minus 25. What? Minus 22. And in front of 3 we have negative sign. Then minus into minus plus 22. So term 11 we get what? 22. See, in the third question what they given? They given first term, that is 2. Third term, that is 26. And we need to find second term. See, this is our question. Let's start the solution. See here, this is the term 1, term 2 and term 3. We need to find term 2. So let's start. We know that general form of arithmetic progression, that is a plus d, a plus 2d and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4 and what is this? This is term n, that is nth term. Okay. What is the first term here? Term 1, that is equal to a and that is equal to 2. And we need to know what is the common difference. That is t2 minus t1. But we need to find the term 2. So for that sake, we need to do like this. What is the third term here? Third term is 26. Here a plus 2d is equal to 26. लिख सकते हैं ना? Because of the third term is a plus 2d and here the third term is 26. So a plus 2d is equal to 26. And what is a here? A is 2 plus 2 into d. We need to find d. That is equal to 26. So 2d is equal to 26 and this 2 will send to right side, then plus 2 will become minus 2. 2d is equal to 26 minus 2 what? 24. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. What is d? D is equal to 12. And now what we have to find? We need to find term 2. Right? So what is term 2? A plus d. Write down here. A plus d. Okay. What is A? A is 2. Plus what is d here? D is 12. So term 2 is equal to 12 plus 2, that is 14. Check. Now you have to put 14 in the place of term 2. Okay, this is our solution. Let's check the next question. Please pause the video to note down. The next second question is term 2 or A2. Instead of A, you can say T. Okay, that is 13 and term 4 is 3. We have to find term 1 and term 3. Okay, see. Only they given term 2 and term 4. This is term 1, term 2, term 3 and term 4. Okay, what is the general formula of arithmetic progression? See here. General form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is the first term here? T1 is equal to A, but we need to find here. Next, common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, but T1 we have to find, no? Then how can you find the common difference? For that sake, we need to find. So we have a term 2 here. Term 2 is equal to, what is the formula of term 2? That is A plus D. Okay, A plus D. A plus D is equal to, that is 13. Okay, so how can you write this? A plus D is equal to 13. 13 is equal to A plus D, and we need to take A is equal to 13 minus D. लिख सकते हैं ना? Okay. Next, we know term 4. Term 4 is equal to A plus 3D. Right? This is our formula. Term 4 is equal to A plus 3D. What is term 4 here? 3 is equal to A plus 3D. 3 is equal to A plus 3D. So if you substitute the 13 minus D in the place of A, then we get common difference. See how. Let's check. This is equation 2 and this is equation 1. From 2, that is 3 is equal to A plus 3D. So 3 is equal to, what is A here? A is 13 minus D plus 3D from 1. Okay, since from 1. 3 is equal to 13 minus D plus 3D. 3 is equal to 13 1D plus 3D. Minus 1D plus 3D. What we get here? Think. So absolutely we can say plus 2D, because 1 minus 1 plus 3, that is 2, and we have a D, so keep it as D. Okay. So what is our answer here? See, we need to find D, no? So 3 minus 13 is equal to 2D. Okay. What we get here? 3 minus 13, that is minus 10, is equal to 2D. D is equal to what? Minus 10 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. D is equal to minus 5. This is the common difference. So easily you can solve term 1 and term 3. How? Because we know the common difference, that is minus 5, and just nothing is doing here. You have to substitute in equation 1, we get A. Now substitute D is equal to minus 5 in equation 1. So what is equation 1 here? A is equal to 13 minus D. A is equal to 13 minus, what is D here? Minus 5. So D is minus 5. A is equal to 13 minus into minus plus 5. A is equal to 13 plus 5 what? 18. So our answer is, the first term is 18. So just keep here, the first term is 18. And what we need to find? We need to find term 3. So very simple. What is the term 3 formula? A plus 2D. Already we know the first term, that is A, that is 18. And also we know what is D, that is minus 5. So how can you find here? Term 3 is equal to A plus 3D. What is A? A is 18 plus 3 into, what is D? D is minus 5. 18 plus into minus, 3 5s are 15. Okay. See here we made mistakes. What is term 3 ma? Term 3 is a plus 2d. See we wrote a plus 3d. So a plus 2d you have to write. We get 2. 2 5s are 10. So 18 minus 10 what? What is 18 minus 10? That is 8. So our term 3 is 8. Just write here term 3 8. What are our missing numbers? 18 and 8. What is term 1? 18. Term 3 8. Just write the conclusion below here. Before that, pause the video to note down these solutions. Okay. Let's start next question. See, they given 5 comma and we need to find term 2, term 3 and fourth term is 9 1 by 2. Okay. So what is the first term here? First term, that is T1 is equal to A is equal to 5. So given series, what they given here? 5 comma and we need to find this and next is this, and 9 by 2, 9 1 by 2 can be written as this is a mixed fraction. Okay, we need to write in improper fraction. That is, we have to multiply this. 9 2s are 18 and plus 1 divided by 2. That is 18 plus 1 what? 19 by 2. So you can write here 19 by 2. So this is term 1, term 2, term 3 and term 4. What we need to find? Term 2 and term 3 we need to find. How we need to find? Let's check. Already we know the first term, that is 5. Okay. And what is term 4 here? 19 by 2. What is the formula of term 4? What is the formula of term 4? A plus 3d. Okay, just remember that if they ask term 4, what is the preceding number of 4? 3. So A plus 3d is the answer. Write down here. Term 4 is equal to A plus 3d. That equal to, what is A? That is 5 plus 3 into D. We need to find D. Okay. What is term 4 here? Term 4 is 19 by 2 is equal to 5 plus 3D. Multiply 2 to both sides. 19 is equal to 5 2s are 10 plus 2 3s are 6D. Okay, basic maths these are. So what we need? We need D. So take 60 in one side. 6D is equal to 19 and plus 10 will become minus 10. 6D is equal to 19 minus 10 what? 9. So D is equal to 9 by 6, right? Okay. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. So D is equal to how much they get? D is equal to 3 by 2. And now already we know the first term, that is 5, and common difference D is 3 by 2. And now simple, we need to find term 2 and term 3. What is term 2 formula? Term 2 and term 3 we need to find. What is term 2? A plus preceding number of this 2 is 1D, and here A plus preceding number of this 3 is 2D. Simple. What is A? What is A? A is 5 plus what is D? D is 3 by 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 divided by 2. 10 plus 3 what? 13 by 2. So our term 2 is 13 by 2. What is term 3? A plus 2 into D, 3 by 2. So 2 to get cancelled. Remaining what? 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 what? 8. So our missing numbers are, therefore, missing numbers. That is 13 by 2, 8. These are the solution. Okay, if you have any doubts, let's check. Is this solution is correct or not? Then just simply you have to do 13 by 2 minus 5. That is T2 minus T1. We get one solution. And next time, what is T3 here? What is T3? T3 is 8. Write down here. T3 minus T2. 8 minus 13 by 2. You get same result. You get same result. Because common difference is same in arithmetic progression. Already I told you in the before sessions. Right? Are you understanding? Okay, please pause the video to note down all. Let's move for next question. In fourth question, what we need to find term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. Only they given term 1 and term 6. Very simple. See, we write general form of arithmetic progression. And what is the first term here? First term is minus 4. Let's find out these term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. So, what they given? Term 6 is equal to, what is the formula of term 6? A plus preceding number of the number 6 is 5D. Right? Term 6 means 6 is equal to, what is A? A is minus 4 plus 5D. We need to find D first of all. Then we can solve easily. So, take 5D is equal to 6 and minus 4 will become plus 4. 5D is equal to 6 plus 4, we get 10, and D is equal to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. What is D? The common difference is 2. The common difference is 2. So now just find out the remaining term 2 and term 3, term 4. What is the formula of term 2? A plus D. A plus D. So write down term 2 is equal to, what is A? A is minus 4 plus, what is D? D is 2. D is 2. Term 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 what? Minus 2. Okay. Write down here term 2 is minus 2. And next term 3 we need. Term 3 is equal to A plus preceding number of this 3 is 2D. What is preceding number means? Before number. Before the given number. So term 3 is equal to, what is A? A is minus 4 plus 2 into 2 because D is 2. Minus 4 plus 4. What? 0. Term 3 is 0. Let's take term 4. Term 4 is equal to A plus 3D. What is A? A is minus 4 plus 3 into, what is D? D is 2. So minus 4 plus 3 twos are 6. What is remaining? Remaining is 2. Minus 4 plus 6 is 2. So let's take the term 4 is 2. And finally, term 5. What is term 5? A plus preceding number of the term 5 is 4D. What is A? A is minus 4 plus 4 into, what is D? D is 2. D, what is D? D is 2. That is common difference. Minus 4 plus 4 twos are 8. And minus 4 plus 8 will become 4. So our fifth term is 4. What are the missing numbers here? Minus 2, 0, 2 and 4. Understand? Let's move for next to last question. Let's start fifth question. They given what they given here, term 1 we need to find. Term 2 is 38 and term 6 is minus. See here in the fifth question we need to find term 1, term 3, term 4, term 5. So simply in the before video before question I told you the general form of arithmetic progression, that is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. Okay. So what they given here, the term 2 is 38. So what is the term 2 formula? A plus D. Write down A plus D is equal to 38. So what is A here? A is equal to 38 minus D. So write down T6 because they given only two terms. No, we have to do like this. That means linear inequalities. We will say like that. So term 6 is equal to minus 22. What is term 6 formula? A plus 5D. A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. So take 5D is equal to minus 22 and this A will come to right side, then it will become minus A. Just think this is an equation 2. 5D is equal to minus 22 minus what is A? From equation 1 that A is 38 minus D. That is 38 minus D became. So 5D is equal to minus 22 multiply minus 38 minus into minus plus D. 5D is equal to minus 22 minus 38 will become minus 60 plus D. So minus 60 is equal to 5D and plus D will become minus D. Minus 60 is equal to 4D. So D is equal to what? Minus 60 divided by 5. What we get? The difference, common difference is minus 15. So now it's very simple to find term 2. What is the formula of term 2? A plus D. What is A here? We need to find A. Still we need to find A, no? So before that we need to find A. We need to find A. So from 1, A is equal to 38 minus D. A is equal to 38 minus, what is D here? Minus 15. Minus 15. A is equal to 38 minus into minus plus 15. A is equal to 38 plus 15 we need. 38 plus 15 we need. What is the form? What we get here? Equal to 53. Okay, we need to find term 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the formula of term 2? That is A plus D. What is A? A is 53 and D is minus 15. So 53 plus into minus, minus 15 we get 38. What is term 3? A plus 2D. What is A here? 53 plus 2 into minus 15. That implies 53 minus 15 2s are 30. Okay, subtract 53 minus 30. What we get here? 23. Result is 23. Result is 23. Next, term 4 and term 5 we need. Term 4 and term 5. What is the formula of term 4 and term 5? Then, what is A? 53 plus 3 into D minus 15. If we do like this, then we get term 4 is 8, term 5 is 7. Write down here. What is the term 1? What we get here? Term 1. We didn't see, no? What is the term 1 here? So, term 1 is equal to A. So, what is A here? 53. Okay. Write down 53. Okay, what is term 2 here? 38, 23, 8, 7. Already 38 already we found here. And 23, 8 and 7 are the missing numbers. 23, 8 and 7. These are the missing numbers. So this is our solution. So please do homework and the last question. I think already completed. Okay. Thanks for watching up to now. And don't forget to share and like and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And before that, pause the video to note down these all things. Thank you.